Bartlett, and I'm here today with my boys, Cruz and Rocket. And today we're going to show you some exercises that you can enjoy on a stability ball with the whole family. Make sure for adults that you have a slightly larger ball, more like a 55 to 65 centimeter. And for kids, you can use more in the 45 to 55 centimeter range. And Cruz, how old are you?
I'm 11.
And what do you want those people at home to do?
Pound that subscribe button.
Pound that subscribe button. And Rocket, how old are you?
6.
And what do you want those people at home to do?
To hit that like button.
Hit that like button. And Rocket has already started the exercise that we're going to start with. So let's bounce. Yeah. So for adults, if you can hook your feet underneath the ball and then try to get a little more air. Woo. There you go. It's a lot of work for those hamstrings, and I trained hamstrings yesterday, so surprisingly you feel this in the lower body. Now, I want my student athletes to get a little more cardio. Arms up. Higher, higher. Yeah. All the way up, all the way up. We've got about 10 seconds to go. We only have to do a minute of this. That's no big deal. Keep it going. 5. Can you go higher? 4, 3, 2, and 1. So good. Okay, guys, go ahead and stand up. Okay. Cruz, why don't you come on this side? And for those of you who are CrossFitters, you will recognize this next exercise as the wall ball. Yes. So I'm going to jump in as trainer here, just to make sure everyone's working safely. Try to aim above the door. Above the door. You got it. So good. Keep it going. Breathe. And let's do 10 more. And unlike a medicine ball, there's no weight. So for the little guys, it's super, super safe. And if it bounces back in their faces, you know they're not going to get hurt. It's also just fun. Whip that ball at the wall. Whip it. Yeah. 2 more. Whip it. Last one. That's it. Woo! All right. Let's stand back here again. And let me get in the middle. We're going to dribble. So you're going to dribble with one hand. And then switch hands. And then alternate. Just side to side, side to side. Nice and easy, nice and easy. You're really good at that. So you can play like Rocket is, just having fun with it. Here's, I see you can go a little faster. And then speed up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, that's it. All right, grab the ball, please. Take the ball overhead. Okay. And now we're going to go side to side. So it's just one leg, other leg. One leg, other leg. You can tell who the lefty is. Yeah. Ooh, careful. You got room? Yeah, look towards me. That's a good point, by the way, guys. Make sure you have a lot of space cleared out. Okay, 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. All right, Cruz is going to sit on top of the ball facing this way for his abdominal crunches. So turn your feet this way, Ben. Okay? Scoot your tush forward, hands behind your head. Come up and down. Okay, there you go. Feet are straight ahead. And now Rocket, you can lay down and put your feet on the ball. Good. Hands behind your head, bend your knees. Come up and down halfway, just halfway. Just halfway. That's beautiful. Go in the center though. Up this way. Yes. Deep breath. Okay. Can you feel it in your tummy? I want you to feel it in your tummy. Okay, come up, feel it in your tummy. There it is. There it is. 3 more. Nice and slow. 2 and 1. Relax for a moment, both of you, and we'll do it one more time. Okay. So I have my master's degree in corporate fitness. I've been a trainer for 1,000,000 years. And one of the things that I notice with my adult clients is that if you simply touch the muscle that you want to work, it kind of gives a little feedback to the body to turn it on. So, Cruzy, come here. I'm going to touch your tummy. Okay. Okay. And now, when you're ready, come up And try to feel where I just touched. Feel where I just touched. Yeah, so feel that muscle active. Let's try 3 more. 2, 1. That was so good. Good work. All right, I'm going to ask both of you to lay down. So Cruz, you can lay down. Rocket, you can stay where you were, buddy. You can put your feet up on the ball. Okay. This time you're going to have your hands down at your sides. Okay. Bend your knees so that the soles of your feet are on top of the ball. Yep. And now all you're going to do is lift and lower in a bridge. We're going to try 10. We'll do 2 sets of 5. So here we go. Lift your tush up, nice and high. Lift your hips. 1. Good. And down. And up. And down. Good. And up. And down. Keep it going. So they are working their glutes, their hamstrings, maybe their smiles. 1 more. And relax for a moment. Relax for a moment. We will do it again. Now I am holding onto the ball for a little extra support. If you know that your student athlete is ready to do it without the extra support, cool. But I'm their mom and I want to keep them really, really safe and supported. So let's go. Up and down. Yeah. And then when you feel like, okay, maybe they've got it, try 2 fingers on top of the ball. Yeah. Lift your tush. Lift the corners of your mouth. Okay, last one. Oh, so good. Relax, relax, relax. Good. All right, Cruz, come around behind this ball, please. Rocket, remember what we're going to do here? So you're going to come around behind the ball, Cruzy. Stay there on your knees, please. Rocket, you're going to be on your knees here, and you're going to lean over the ball like this. And then when you're ready, I'm going to have you come up and down. Not yet, Cruz. All right, Rocket, go ahead and put your tummy on here. Okay. Now lean forward, guys. Right there, right there. Hands behind your head. And come up. Lift. Yes! And down. Keep it going. Keep it going. Up and down. We're just doing 5. So the reason I wanted them to wait for me is so that I can hold that lowered leg just above the ankle. Up and down. 1 more. Whew. Relax for a moment. We will do 1 more set and then we'll be all done. It's a very quick and easy workout that you can do with your little ones. It will help with their core strength, their stability, and also agility. All right, let's go. Come on up. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Lift and lower. 2 more. Big smile. Last one. Relax. Good job. All right. We would love for you to join us for more of our workouts. And like they said, pound that
subscribe button
and hit that
like button.
Yay. All right.